Hello, in front of me I've got Corsair K65 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to assign Mural to your keyboard. To assign Mural to keyboard, let's go to iCUE Corsair App. Select Profile and now go to Murals. Now adjust position of the keyboard, size, and then select Mural. You can also add new murals, for example audio, lighting, gradient, image capture, video capture, static color or monitor screen. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.